Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Rock with Be More. It is a one-wall dance, high impact. Starts slow, but then it picks up. But I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance along to the music, watch till the end. Also check out the choreographer. Let's go. So we're going to use 3 walls, okay? So it's a one-wall dance. We're going to start on this wall. We're going to go to this wall, and then we're going to go to the back wall, and then come back to the front. So we're going to stand here, stand over here, facing in this direction. So the first 8 count is knee lifts. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So you're gonna have to keep the weight to the ball of your feet, okay? Because it's an up tempo. It starts slow, but it's an up tempo beat. So you gotta stand on your toes. Stay on your toes, okay? So we're coming up with the knees. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Starting with the right. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, then we're gonna do a travel step. So that's the first 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we're going to travel start with a travel step. Front, side, behind step, kick, and cross. So we're going to cross over with the right. Front, side, behind step, kick, and cross. Okay, the last step is on the left. And we're going to go make a 3/4 turn. So we're going to go right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. So you got kick and cross. You got 2 steps, right, left. Then you come back and make that rotation and make your 3/4 turn, right, left, right. So our first turn is going to come after we do the travel step. Front, side, behind step, kick and cross, right, left, right, left, right. And that's your second 8 count. Okay, so let's add that the knee, which is your first 8 count, single, single, double, double on the right and the left. We're going to go with the travel step, and then we're going to do the 3/4 turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Front, side, behind, kick, and cross, right, left, right, left, right. So we made our 3/4 turn. So wherever your wall is to the right, that's where you go. Okay, now, so we're here at this wall. We started at our front wall. We're going to continue. We're going to go kick, tick, step, swirl, and stomp. So we're going to kick on the right, kick, tick, step, kick, ball, change. So you're going to change and put that weight on the right. Kick 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your third 8 count. So the first one, 8 count, was the knee. The second was to do it your travel step, making a 3/4 turn. Once you get here, we just finished moving. Now we're just going to stand here and do footwork. Kick on your right, tick, step, kick, ball, change, roll, and roll. That's your second 8 count. All right, now we're getting ready to move to our third wall. We was here, this is our first wall, this is our second wall. We made a 3/4 turn. Now we're going to make a 1/4 turn by sliding right and slide left. Okay, so that's 1, 2. So to get to that wall, we slide right, we slide left. So we kick here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. So we kick, tick, step, kick, ball, change, roll, roll. 1/4 turn to your right, slide, slide left. Okay? We're going gonna stay here. We're gonna do some more footwork. We're gonna do a V-step. 1 and 2 and. So we're gonna do it fast. 1 and 2, up 3 and 4, up 3, back 4, step 5, pivot 6, and a coaster step, 7 and 8. All right, so now we're going back to our original wall. So we do a V step, up tempo, 1 and 2 and, up 3, back 4. On that right, go up on that right, make a half turn, and do a left coaster step, Then we're going to add that slide again. Slide right, slide left, okay? So remember when we were here, we did that slide right, we did that slide left, then we went to the V step, 1 and 2, up 3, 4 step, 5, half 6, coaster 7 and 8. So we're not going to do anything. All we're going to do is do a reset by sliding to your right and sliding to your left. Okay? Now, let's go back to the top. Let's do a review. We do our knees up. We do our travel step. We make that 3/4 turn. We do our little footwork with the kick, tick, swirl, kick, ball change, roll, roll. Then we do another slide, quarter turn to our right, slide left. More footwork with a half turn. 1 and 2, up 3, back 4, up 5, pivot 6. Left shoulder come back, half turn, coaster 7 and 8. We set with that slide again. Slide right, slide left. Okay? Now we back at our original wall. We're not finished, but these steps are not hard. Okay, now I suggest that because it's an up-tempo dance, that take your time to put the steps together and memorize the step in your head and also in your legs, your muscle memory, okay? So you're able to go on from one step to the other. So that's basically what it is. There's nothing hard in this dance. So let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7 and 8, kick 1, take 2, 3 and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3, V step, 5 and 6 up, turn, coaster step, slide, slide, slide. See how fast it goes? That's why you got to keep on repeating before you go on to the next step. So what do I mean? When I'm doing slide, starting over, when I start from the top, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I do it again. So I'm thinking it, I'm doing it without even thinking about it. It just automatically comes. Then I add the next part, and I go back to the top. And I keep doing it where I'm not even thinking about it. It just automatically comes up in my muscle memory. That's what you have to do. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, knee up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5 and 6 and 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, adding on. So we did our slide right, slide left. Now we're doing diagonal. We're going to step up. 1, 2, kick 3, 4, up 5, 6, kick 7, 8. So what we're doing the same footwork. Slide up, right, left, kick, right, left, up, right, left, kick, right, left. We're just going corner to corner with the same footwork. So when we go right, we step right. When we go left, we step right. I'm going to say that again. We go right, right, left, kick, right, left. Diagonal right. When we go left, we step right. When we go left, we step right. Right, left, kick, right, left. Yes, that's what we do. I said we go left, we step right. That's what I said. Okay, so we slide, slide. It's 1, 2, kick 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the same step, same footwork going diagonal. So I'm going to step back on 1. My left leg, I'm going to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, and 8. Now, I'm going to give you your next 8 count. Your 8, now next 8 count. Remember we used to do this. Step touch, moving back when you're dancing. Like that, that's what you're doing. So right, left, left, right, right, tap, left with a coaster step. Again, back on 1. 1, that's gonna bring you back. I'm gonna make a full turn. So I'm gonna tap 2 times on my left. Left, left. As I make turn, I'm gonna tap right, right. Then I'm gonna tap left, coaster, no, tap left, coaster step. Tap left with a left coaster step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6, 7, and 8. So I start with a single step on the right, a double tap on the left, 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 tap step, then 2 steps on the right, tap right, step right. Then I tap on the left. Remember I came back on the right, I'm going to tap on that left 1 time, then I'm going to do a coaster step, coaster step. Left, right, left. Okay, so let me turn this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's what I'm doing. Right, left, left, right, right, left, coaster step. So when I step right, I tap left, then I step left. I'm making my rotation because I need to do a full turn. I tap right, I step right. I tap left, left coaster step. So it looks like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's add that. So I'm going to say that's something you have to think about. Okay? But if you a natural dancer and you remember this here, this step right here, when you're dancing like this, that's what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're just making a full turn. So that's all you're doing. You tap stepping, but you're making a complete turn. Step back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left coaster step. 7 and 8. All right, so let's put it together. Let's do the review. We're doing the knees. We're doing the travel step. That travel step is going to give us a 3/4 turn. We're going to do a footwork. Kick, tick, swirl, step, roll, roll. Slide right into it. Right, left. Footwork D-step. 1 and 2, up, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide again. Slide. Slide. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that step I just did. We got one more part. And let's go ahead and put that part together. And then we can review. So we're going to kick side. So this dance got a little bit of everything. It has a 3/4 turn. It has a 1/4 turn. It got knee lifts, travel step. It got slides, tap around, coaster steps. Something you already know already. Okay, we just putting it together. And this, it moves up. And this one here, we kick inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, left, right, knee, left, right, left, stomp. In the dance. Let me show you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you add 2 knees. You got 2 knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your first knee. 5 and 6. That's your second knee on the left. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. To walk up after you do your second knee, keep going until you stump on the right, which is 8. Again, right, left, knee, left, knee, left, stump. Stump on your right, okay? And that's gonna move forward, and then you're gonna come back and start the dance over with the single, double, double. So let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. I'm sorry, I'm lost my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 7, and 8. Left, stump. So it's right, knee, left, knee, left, stump. Okay? In the dance starts over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're moving it back. Because when we move that last part up, which is the last 8 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. See how we moved up? Start the dance over, we're moving back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, 3/4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick 1, 2, swerve 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We swerve. I'm not gonna leave you, okay? But just take your time and put each piece together. By 8 counts. I taught it by 8 counts, okay? Keep doing it over and over. Go back to the top over and over. Like you're doing it without even thinking about it. And then keep adding on. Next thing you know, you're like, this dance is not that hard. Okay, let's go back to the top. With the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2. Kick 3 and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Beat 5 and 6 and 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you're only thinking like that because you just learning the dance. All right? Don't say it's hard. It isn't. It's fast. Yes, it's a little fast. But once you know the step, you're just getting a nice workout. Okay? Remember to keep your weight to the front, not to the back. Okay? Whenever you have up-tempo music, you got to be able to move quickly from one step to the other. So that's by putting your weight to the front. What do I mean? So when I do with my knees, I'm not doing 1, 2, 3. I'm going up on my toes. I'm fall on my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. You got to be able to move quickly. So move your weight to the front. That is rock with Be More. Rock with Be More. This is the instructional. Let's rock together. Let's do the demo together. Check out April. She does an instructional also. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, make sure you share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.